First, we import useState from React to keep track of the selected file and upload progress. We also import axios to handle our file upload request. We create a functional component called fileUpload. Inside this component, we will manage our file upload logic. Within our component, we declare two pieces of state. Selected file will store the file chosen by the user, while upload progress will track the upload progress as a percentage. Next, we define onFileChange, a function that's triggered when the user selects a file. This updates selected file with the chosen file and resets upload progress to 0. We also define onFileUpload, which is the function called when the user clicks the upload button. This will start the file upload process. Inside onFileUpload, we initialize a new form data object and append our selected file under the key myFile. We make a post request to our server's API upload endpoint with the form data. Axios allows us to track upload progress by providing an onUpload progress callback. In case of success or error, we handle those with respective then and catch. Within the onUpload progress function, we calculate the upload progress percentage based on the loaded and total properties from the progress event. We call setUploadProgress to update our component state with the new progress percentage. Finally, our component returns JSX, consisting of a file input for the user to select files, an upload button, and a div element that visually represents the upload progress. The file input calls onFileChange when the user selects a file, updating our component state. We provide an upload button which, when clicked, triggers onFileUpload to send the file to the server. If a file is selected, we display the current upload progress percentage to the user. We also show a visual progress bar that fills up as the file uploads. Now, this code represents a server-side API handler in Next.js. When a post request is received, this is where the file upload will be processed. In a real-world scenario, you'd use a middleware like Multiparty or Formidable to help process the form data and handle the file upload. Once the file upload is complete, or if we run into any issues, we'd send a response back to the client to indicate success or failure of the upload.